The phone buzzes at 7:42 a.m. A message from the site manager. Where's the safety checklist? Inspector's on the way. The concrete is still wet. The crew is already working, and the paperwork isn't finished. This is the part of the day that never shows up on the invoice. And if it goes wrong, the whole job stops. Meet Marcus. He's a construction worker, early 30s, skilled with his hands, reliable on site. Today is supposed to be simple. Pour concrete in the morning, install frames after lunch, go home on time. Instead, Marcus is juggling three things that always collide on construction sites: paperwork, pressure, and people waiting on answers. By the end of this video, you'll see how one tool quietly changes how his entire day unfolds. Not by replacing his work, but by removing the parts that slow him down, stress him out, or get him blamed for things he didn't cause. Welcome to Everyday AI. Here we focus on how everyday people use AI to make work easier, life simpler, and problems less stressful. No hype, no buzzwords, just practical AI tools explained in a way anyone can understand and use. By 8:15, Marcus is already behind. The safety checklist exists somewhere. Last week, it was a printed form. Before that, it was a WhatsApp photo. Sometimes it's a PDF that no one updates. The inspector wants proof that today's site check was done before work started, not later. Not "we'll send it." Marcus feels the familiar pressure. If this delays the crew, it's on me. He pulls out his phone, hesitates, then tries something he set up the night before. Jotform. Marcus opens Jotform on his phone. Jotform is a no-code online form builder used to create forms, collect data, and automate workflows. In his workspace, he taps Create Form. Start from scratch. You can also use Jotform AI, but we will come to it later. Then, Classic Form. Under Add Element, he adds following elements to his form: date, site name in dropdown mode, checklist items with yes or no toggles, one photo upload, and finally, a signature at the bottom. He hits Preview Form. The first version doesn't feel right. One checklist item is missing: weather conditions. He edits the form, adds a short multiple-choice question: dry, rain, wind, frost, and saves it for every future day. Payoff: time spent, 2 minutes. No printing, no chasing signatures. Time-stamped proof automatically stored. When the inspector arrives, Marcus doesn't explain. He just forwards the submission link. The inspector nods. Problem solved! But fixing this exposes something else. Late morning. The concrete truck is waiting, the crew is ready, but a small detail is unclear. Which exact anchor type was approved for this section? The plan was updated last week. Someone has the answer, but that person is not on site. Calls go unanswered, messages pile up, every minute costs money, and Marcus knows it. This is the kind of delay that looks invisible later, but feels heavy in the moment. Marcus opens Jotform again. He selects another form. Quick site question: supervisor. The form has a short text field. What's the issue? A photo upload. An urgency selector. Low, medium, high. He types anchor type confirmation for section B. Then he attaches a photo of the slab and marks it high and submits it. The form is set to send an email automatically to the supervisor with the photo embedded and the question clearly written. 2 minutes later, a reply comes back. Not a long explanation, just the answer Marcus needs. Payoff: Waiting time reduced from 30 to 40 minutes to under 5. No misunderstandings. Clear record of who approved what. The truck unloads. Work continues. But the day isn't done testing him. It's 5:30 p.m. The tools are packed. The site is quiet. This is when Marcus usually stays late, writing reports from memory. Trying to remember what was finished, what was delayed, what materials were used. If he forgets something, it comes back as a problem tomorrow. He's tired. And this is where mistakes happen. Marcus opens one last Jotform. This time, however, he uses Jotform AI to generate a form. Form title: Daily Work Report, End of Shift. The form includes tasks completed, delays, materials used, photo upload, notes for tomorrow. He realizes one thing is missing: hours worked per task. He edits the form again, adds a simple number field, saves it. Payoff: reporting time, 10 minutes instead of 45. No guessing, no late evenings, fewer follow-up questions the next morning. And suddenly, Marcus is done. The day ends differently than it started. No panic, no explaining, no staying late to fix paperwork. The safety checklist that almost stopped the morning is already archived. The delay that could have cost money is documented and approved. And the report that usually eats personal time was finished before Marcus locked the gate. Jotform didn't change how Marcus builds. It changed how his work flows around him. If you work in construction, you already do the hard part. This just removes the friction around it. So here's the question. What's the one task in your day that keeps stealing time after the work is done? And if you want to see more real workflows like this, quiet tools, real situations, no hype, you know where to find the next video. See you in the next video.